Alright, so this is my attempt to making pita pockets in the UUNI Pro using the gas attachment. So right now the stone is at about 500 degrees because I'm gonna plop it deep inside. So let's take a look. I'm gonna go grab my tongs because I'm gonna need them. Come on, pita pockets, you can do it. Okay, we got one going there. Let me grab it. Second one didn't puff up. Wow. This one's nice. Whoa. So, pita pocket. Let me take out the other one too. Yeah, this one's ready too. Alright, so let's do an analysis here. This one didn't puff. I'm pretty sure it's my fault because I didn't let them rest enough before, but let's open it up. Very nice. And this one is a perfect pita pocket. What's the best place to open it? I would say right here. Phew. So, this is the perfect pita pocket. Nice. I'm gonna have it tomorrow. I've had enough dough for today. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please thumb up, put in your comments, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye. Alright, so this time what I'm going to do, I let it go to temp a little more. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to plop it in, but I'm going to lower the flame. So this time I also plotted them a little more inside where the stone is a tad warmer. See if both of them puff up. Now, one of them stopped puffing in the middle. Yeah, there's still some chance for the other one to completely puff up, and it did! Yay! Great, 2 full pita pockets. Alright, let me turn them around. I think I can take them out. Come on. I gotta smoosh it a little. Alright, 2 pita pockets. Let's check these out. Alright, so this batch really came out much nicer. Really nice pita pockets. Fully inflated. Very nice charring. These are the perfect pitas. Yeah, let me open one in the middle. Perfect. All right, so this was my demonstration on how to make pita pockets using the UUNI Pro. If you want the recipe, this is really just a pizza recipe, only instead of putting the topping on it, you flatten them out to pita size and let them puff in the oven. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comments box. Please thumb up, subscribe, click the notification bell. Hope you have a great rest of the day and catch you in the next video. Till next time.